今日はハブ料理。
じゃーん、ハブの唐揚げ、鶏の唐揚げ。すごい、アマムハブ料理って書かれてるじゃん。はい、今日は来園に来ました。お客さんにね、ハブかますからホイーチョイだ。先に入ってました。
入ってましたよ。はい、こんばんは。じゃあ久しぶりよ。今日はハブ料理。乾杯。すみません。
なかったらごめんなさい。
何もらえますか。
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting small,
じゃーん、これだ、ハブの唐揚げ。頑張って食すぞ。
I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you are by.
ハブだよ。いただきます。
どう食べるのかそのまま。
食べたことないの？毒味です。毒味だったと。味は美味しいよ。ちょっと弾力のある鶏肉。鶏肉っぽい。思ったほどサイド買わない。はい。卵焼きおにぎり。美味しそう。鶏の唐揚げ。
ビール。私一個食っていいかい。
うわ、血が吸わない。
And make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.
うわ、大盤。
Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage.
見て、どれと比べたらいいか分からない。見て。めっちゃでかい。
They spread, I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several
卵が飛び出した。カリカリとろとろ。
ages of bacon. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.